Hey everyone! Today we'll be teaching you how to add liquidity to the ETH block pool on Uniswap using Metamask.
And for those of you guys that are interested, we'll also be teaching you guys how to swap your Ethereum for some BLOC tokens in the second half of this video.
First thing you need to do is to look up the token contract. So go to etherscan.io, and for me, I'm going to look up the BLOC Cloud token because this is what we're doing, but this works with any ERC20 token. Hold on, let's try this again. Let's see, here it is. So I look it up on Etherscan, and this is really important. You have to make sure that this is the correct address for everything, and as we know, this is the original contract address right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this contract. This contract is going to be what you're going to use for everything. So let's get started. I need to go to Metamask, and I need to add the token pair. So you go here to add token, and all you have to do is go to custom token, copy and paste that address, and here it is. Now that I have it here, I add it, and I want to send some BLOC here. So I need to make sure I have BLOC and Ethereum to add to liquidity. It goes in a 1-to-1 ratio, so let's send some BLOC here. How do I do that? That's right. Account details. So this is my public address, and I will record myself sending. Okay, so as you can see here, I set myself some ETH. I have 1.4 ETH, and with the BLOC Cloud token that I added, I set myself 1 million, and that is equivalent to around 300 USD. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add this into a liquidity pool. So I'm going to go to uniswap.info to look up the trading pair, just to make sure that everything is okay. So this is the user interface. It's got everything you need to know. These are the other pools as well. So if I type in BLOC Cloud, so this has already been created, and right now there's $543 of liquidity. It's pumping to 211%. This is the total pool that's going on, and this is all the transactions, and here is the pair information. So to add liquidity, of course, I will need this token contract. I will copy that, always have that on hand. And then next I will go to uniswap.exchange. This is where all the action happens. This is where you can swap, so people can swap stuff, and this is where you add to the liquidity pool. So I hit pool, and I hit add liquidity, and I will select a token, and I will add a token, which is the contract address, remember, from here. So let me do that again. I copy and paste, and here it is. BLOC Cloud, I have 1 million in here. So what I want to do is to add liquidity, you want to add it from a 1-to-1 ratio. So if I do a maximum of ETH, I need 1,003,031,000. So I don't have enough BLOC, but if I do maximum BLOC, which is 1 million, that's going to cost me 1.38 ETH, and I still have some ETH left over. So you want to have some ETH left over so that you can sign the contracts, and because MetaMask will need to confirm it and sign the transactions to start the smart contract. So you gotta make sure that you have it again. You have enough here, and you press supply. Bam. And you hit confirm. I will receive 99.9, and I will hold a 66% of the pool. So whoever uses this pool, whoever uses the swap, you get 66% of the fees. So the transaction fees become to the pool owner, and these are the exchange tokens that you get. You hit confirm supply. Now you got MetaMask coming up. They're gonna run it. It's gonna cost me a total of 537 because this is the amount, but the gas fee is $2.37. I hit confirm to sign it, and then I close it. And now we just wait. I had a little trouble with the transaction, so I ended up adding 500,000 block tokens to the liquidity pool. So to check, I have a total of this amount that I added in. I added some previously as well, so I have a total of 1.2 ETH and 778,000 tokens. And how I check on that is you go back to uniswap.info, and now I will look it up. It's the BLOC ETH pair here, and there's $1,153 with a 636% increase, mooning just like crypto. Okay, well, this is it. So I added ETH and BLOC, so these are my transactions here, and somebody is using it, which is great. Next, for those of you who are interested in owning some BLOC, we're gonna show you guys how to swap your Ethereum for some BLOC tokens. First thing you need to do is to make sure that your Metamask account has Ethereum. And so in our case, we have about 20 bucks here. So we'll head on over to uniswap.exchange, and we'll need to connect our Metamask to the Uniswap platform. So to do that, you'll need to click the connect to a wallet in the top right corner and select Metamask and hit next. Click connect. And now Uniswap is connected to your Metamask. You can check that by looking at the amount of ETH here, and this should be your address. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add the BLOC token onto Metamask. So we're going to copy the contract address, the same address that we used earlier, and we're going to hit add token on the Metamask interface. So we add token, we're going to switch over to the custom token tab and copy, we're going to paste the token contract address. And this should automatically import the token symbol and the decimals of precision, and you hit next. And it says, would you like to add these tokens? I say add tokens, and now it is in your Metamask. As you can see, it says ETH and BLOC here, and we have 0 since we haven't bought any yet. To add the BLOC token onto Uniswap, we are at the Uniswap swap option here. Hit select a token and paste the contract address here, and we will click the block that we found, and here we are. Alright, so now we are ready to swap some Ethereum for BLOC. So I will put in 1,000 BLOC here, and I will click swap. I will hit confirm swap, and it will cost me a gas fee of $3. I hit confirm. And now the transaction has been submitted, and all we got to do is wait for it to confirm, and we can check back in our wallet. Alright, so my transaction has been confirmed, and as you can see, I have 1,000 BLOC tokens in my Metamask wallet. Alright guys, we hope that this tutorial has helped you understand how to use BLOC Cloud on Uniswap. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.